Hello, you're welcome. In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating how you can add category gaps in ThinkCell. So if you look at the chart we have on the screen, we have three series, marketing, sales, and finance, and they are from two of our cities. So you can see the first city is CA and the second city is LA. You can also see that we have 2024 and 2025 for each of them. So looking at this chart, I consider it to be cluttered because I want to separate the CA from the LA so that it's easy for my manager to understand. So in order to create a gap between these categories, what I will do is over here where I have a space between the categories, then click on it. And now you can see this arrow. I can just drag this arrow and you can see I've added category gap. If I want to add two category gaps, I can still drag this. You can see I now have added two category gaps. I can still bring this back. So I can bring this back to one category gap or even remove it entirely, as you can see the way we started. And this is just what I want to demonstrate in this video, how you can add category gaps in ThinkCell. I hope you've been able to find this video helpful. Please, if you have, kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.